Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the use of IFs Formula in Excel. As we have basic employees data, and we have performance score column. Based on performance, we need to assign rating on the basis of rating criteria. Now, if we assign any score, it will change as per criteria. We need to create same rating mechanism by using Excel tricks. Each range representing its rating criteria status. Now, if I change to 60, it will show satisfactory. This is what we need to create using advanced if formula. Let's start our example. As we have basic employees data, and we will use here IFs formula to create such conditions. Now, we use here formula bar to show complete visibility. For the logical test, we click on performance score. Now, if score is greater than or equals to 90, based on criteria, it will show outstanding status, as same as mentioned in our rating criteria. Now, we move to second condition. Again, we need to select score cell. Now, if F5 is greater than or equals to 80, it should show status as excellent. Now, we move to our third condition. Again, we need to click on score cell. If F5 is greater than or equals to 70, it will show status as good based on rating criteria. We need to insert all our logical tests for conditions, as we are unable to click on cell, so we manually type F5. Now, if F5 is greater than or equals to 60, we need to show status as satisfactory based on the rating criteria. Now, we reach to our last condition. If you only use here last status, what it will do. Our last status is needs improvement, as we have completed our all conditions. It shows us error, because in the IFs formula needs logical conditions and will not accept else format. So we need to again select cell and write condition. Now, if F5 cell is less than 60 score, it will mention needs improvement. This is how we have completed our advanced IFs formula. Now, we need to test our formula to check conditions, as each score is fulfilling conditions provided in the rating criteria. Now, we need to drag down formula to apply below. Now, we again test our formula. This is how we can use advanced if formula for multiple conditions.